6 clothing items that don't need washing after every single wear. Most of us are guilty of tossing clothes into the laundry basket way too soon. But here's something that might surprise you. Overwashing your wardrobe is actually damaging your favorite pieces and wasting your precious time. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and I'm about to share some game-changing laundry wisdom that'll revolutionize how you care for your clothes. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our practical cleaning tips. And if you find this helpful, and I know you will, give us a thumbs up and share this with someone who's always drowning in laundry. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Let's talk about something nobody really discusses, the myth that everything needs washing after one wear. This couldn't be further from the truth. Not only does excessive laundering waste water, electricity, and detergent, but it's also the fastest way to wear out your clothing prematurely. Every trip through the washer and dryer breaks down fibers, fades colors, and shortens the lifespan of your garments significantly. According to cleaning specialist David Martinez, who has years of experience in fabric care and garment preservation, most items can go multiple wears before they actually need a proper wash. His rule of thumb is simple and practical. Unless something has a visible stain, emits an unpleasant odor, or is saturated with perspiration, it probably just needs refreshing rather than a full wash cycle. Refreshing your clothes instead of washing them will keep your fabrics looking brand new for much longer, Martinez explains. You'll notice less shrinkage, better color retention, and here's the kicker. You could potentially cut your laundry workload in half. So what exactly does refreshing mean? It's easier than you think. You can steam your garments using a handheld steamer or even by hanging them in your bathroom while you shower. Air drying clothes outside on a breezy day works wonders for eliminating odors naturally. Sunlight is also fantastic because it has natural antibacterial properties that can help sanitize fabrics without any chemicals or detergents. Now let me walk you through 6 specific clothing items that you're probably washing way too often. Understanding how to properly care for each of these will save you time, money, and extend the life of your wardrobe considerably. Number 1. Denim jeans. Your trusty jeans are at the top of the overwashed list. Think about how often you throw your jeans in the wash. Probably after every single wear, right? According to Martinez, this is one of the biggest laundry mistakes people make regularly. Denim fabric is incredibly durable and resilient, Martinez points out. The construction of denim means it doesn't readily absorb perspiration the way other fabrics do. Unless your jeans are genuinely soiled or stained, they can easily go 4 to 6 wears between washes. The beauty of denim is in its strength. This isn't a delicate fabric that needs constant attention. In fact, washing jeans too frequently does more harm than good. Each wash cycle strips away the rich indigo dye that gives your jeans their distinctive color. Over time, this leads to premature fading and that worn-out look nobody wants. Beyond color preservation, reducing wash frequency helps maintain the fabric's structural integrity. Jeans that are washed less often keep their shape better and don't develop those saggy knees or stretched-out waistbands as quickly. So what should you do instead? After wearing your jeans, turn them inside out and hang them in a well-ventilated area. If there's a small spot or stain, treat it immediately with spot cleaning rather than throwing the entire garment in the wash. A damp cloth with a tiny bit of mild detergent can work wonders for minor issues. If your jeans develop an odor but aren't dirty, try the freezer method. Fold them neatly, place them in a plastic bag, and stick them in the freezer overnight. The cold temperature kills odor-causing bacteria without any water or detergent needed. It sounds unusual, but it genuinely works. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're learning something valuable here on Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and drop a comment below telling me how often you currently wash your jeans. I'd love to hear from you. Number 2. Sweaters and cardigans. Who doesn't love wrapping themselves in a comfortable sweater? The good news is that your favorite cozy sweaters and cardigans can be worn multiple times before they need laundering. This applies to all types: wool, cotton, cashmere, or synthetic blends. The key factor here is that sweaters typically serve as an outer layer. They're worn over shirts, blouses, or undershirts, which means they're not making direct contact with your skin. Without that direct contact, they're not absorbing body oils, sweat, or skin cells the way an undershirt would. Martinez recommends washing sweaters and cardigans only after 5 to 7 wears, assuming they remain clean and odor-free during that time. This extended wearing period between washes is especially important for delicate materials like wool and cashmere, which can lose their softness and shape with excessive washing. When you do wash sweaters, always check the care label first. Many require hand washing or the delicate cycle with cold water. Never hang sweaters to dry. This causes them to stretch out of shape. Instead, lay them flat on a clean towel, reshape them to their original dimensions, and let them air dry naturally. Between wears, give your sweaters proper breathing room. Don't stuff them in a crowded closet or drawer. Fold them neatly with some space around them, or use a breathable garment bag for storage. This allows any residual moisture or odors to dissipate naturally. A fabric shaver or lint remover is your sweater's best friend. Regular removal of pills and fuzz keeps your sweaters looking fresh and new without the need for washing. A quick once-over with one of these tools can make a sweater look completely refreshed. Number 3. Jackets and blazers. Business attire and outerwear fall into a special category when it comes to laundry frequency. Jackets and blazers, whether they're part of a suit or casual wear, don't require washing after every outing. Just like sweaters, these garments function as outer layers that shield your inner clothing. They rarely come into direct contact with your skin, which means they stay cleaner longer. Additionally, many jackets and blazers feature structured construction, interfacing, shoulder pads, or special finishes that can be compromised by frequent washing. Martinez suggests professional dry cleaning or thorough steaming for jackets and blazers, approximately once per season or after every 5 to 10 wears, whichever comes first. Of course, if you spill something on your blazer or it gets noticeably dirty, address that immediately, regardless of how many times you've worn it. The structured nature of these garments means they're often not machine washable anyway. The padding, interfacing, and tailored shape won't survive a standard wash cycle. Even if the care label says machine washable, frequent washing can still cause the garment to lose its crisp, professional appearance. Steaming is an excellent maintenance method for jackets and blazers between deep cleanings. A handheld steamer removes wrinkles, refreshes the fabric, and can even help eliminate minor odors. Hang your jacket or blazer in your bathroom while you take a hot shower, and the steam will work its magic naturally. Always hang these items on proper hangers, not wire hangers from the dry cleaner. Invest in good wooden or padded hangers that support the shoulders correctly and help the garment maintain its intended shape. This simple step makes a huge difference in how professional your blazer looks, even after multiple wears. If you're finding this information useful, make sure you're subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. We're building a community of smart, practical people who value quality advice, and we'd love to have you as part of it. Number 4. Dress pants and trousers. Dress pants and trousers share many characteristics with blazers when it comes to care requirements. These garments typically feature precise tailoring, sharp creases, and specific finishes that standard machine washing can easily damage or destroy. The construction of quality dress pants involves careful pressing and shaping that creates those crisp lines running down the front of each leg. These creases are heat-set during manufacturing, but repeated washing and machine drying gradually weakens and removes them. Once those creases are gone, your dress pants lose their polished, professional appearance. Martinez advises washing dress pants and trousers every 5 to 10 wears, or approximately twice per season if you rotate multiple pairs regularly. This schedule provides enough cleaning to maintain hygiene while preserving the garment's structure and appearance. When dress pants do require cleaning, many are best handled through professional dry cleaning. Check the care label carefully, as some modern dress pants are designed to be machine washable. If yours can go in the washer, Use the gentle cycle with cold water and remove them promptly to prevent wrinkles from setting. Hanging is crucial for dress pants between wears. Use clip hangers that grip the waistband or hem, or fold them carefully over a horizontal bar. This prevents unwanted creases and helps the fabric breathe. Avoid folding dress pants for storage unless absolutely necessary, as fold lines can become permanent over time. Spot cleaning is your friend with dress pants. Keep a stain removal pen or spray handy for quick treatment of small spots or splashes. Addressing stains immediately prevents them from setting and eliminates the need for full garment washing. Number 5. Pajamas. Here's where individual circumstances come into play more significantly. Pajamas present an interesting case because sleeping habits vary dramatically from person to person. Some people sleep cool and barely move all night, while others wake up having sweated through their sleepwear. For those who shower or bathe before bed, and this makes a significant difference, pajamas can typically last 3 to 4 wears before requiring laundering. When you go to bed clean, your pajamas aren't absorbing the day's accumulation of dirt, oils, and environmental pollutants. If you're showering before climbing into bed, your pajamas stay remarkably clean, Martinez notes. You're in a controlled environment, lying on clean sheets, and your body has just been thoroughly washed. Under these conditions, 3 to 4 wears is perfectly reasonable. However, if you tend to perspire heavily during sleep, you might need to wash pajamas more frequently. Listen to your body and use common sense. If your pajamas feel damp or smell musty in the morning, they need washing, regardless of how many times you've worn them. Cotton and cotton blend pajamas tend to stay fresher longer than synthetic materials. Natural fibers breathe better and don't trap odors the way polyester and other synthetics can. If you're someone who runs hot at night, choosing the right pajama fabric can make a big difference in how often you need to launder them. Between wears, air out your pajamas instead of immediately stuffing them under your pillow or back in a drawer. Drape them over a chair or hook where they can breathe for a few hours. This simple habit allows any moisture to evaporate and keeps them feeling fresh. Number 6. Bras. Undergarments generally need frequent washing, but bras are a notable exception to this rule. The delicate construction of bras, with their elastic bands, underwires, molded cups, and decorative elements, makes them particularly vulnerable to damage from excessive washing. Most experts, including Martinez, recommend washing bras after every 3 to 4 wears, depending on activity level and personal comfort. This extended wear cycle between washes significantly prolongs the life of these often expensive garments while maintaining adequate hygiene. The reason bras can go longer between washes relates to how they're worn. Unlike underwear, which is in direct contact with areas that require frequent washing, bras primarily touch the back, rib cage, and lower breast area, regions that don't produce as much sweat or bacteria as other parts of the body. When you do wash your bras, technique matters enormously. Always, and I can't stress this enough, use a mesh lingerie bag. This protective barrier prevents straps from tangling, hooks from catching on other garments, and cups from getting crushed or misshapen. These mesh bags are inexpensive and will save you from having to replace damaged bras prematurely. Hand washing is actually the gold standard for bra care, but we understand that's not always practical with busy schedules. If you're using a washing machine, select the delicate cycle with cold water and use a gentle detergent specifically designed for delicates. Never put bras in the dryer. The high heat destroys elastic fibers, warps molded cups, and damages any padding or shaping elements. Instead, reshape each bra after washing and lay it flat to dry, or hang it by the center gore, the small piece of fabric between the cups. This allows proper air circulation while maintaining the bra's intended shape. Rotating between multiple bras is essential for extending their lifespan.
Having 3 or 4 bras in rotation means each one gets time to rest and recover its shape between wears. Elastic needs time to contract back to its original state, and wearing the same bra daily prevents this recovery.
Wrapping up. Learning which clothing items can skip frequent washing transforms your laundry routine completely. You'll spend less time sorting, washing, drying, and folding. You'll use less water, electricity, and detergent, which benefits both your wallet and the environment. Most importantly, your clothes will look better and last significantly longer. Remember these key takeaways from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Denim jeans can go 4 to 6 wears between washes. Sweaters and cardigans need laundering only after 5 to 7 wears. Jackets and blazers require cleaning once per season or every 5 to 10 wears. Dress pants and trousers should be washed every 5 to 10 wears. Clean pajamas can last 3 to 4 wears if you shower before bed. And bras should be washed after every 3 to 4 wears. Before you go, I need a favor from you. If this video helped you rethink your laundry habits, please hit that like button and subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical advice that makes daily life easier. Share this with your friends and family. Everyone can benefit from doing less laundry while keeping their clothes in better condition. Leave a comment below and let me know which of these surprises you the most, or share your own clothing care tips. I love hearing from our community, and your experiences help everyone learn. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart laundry habits mean more time for the things you actually enjoy. I'm Marcus, and I'll see you in the next video.